New report offers some hope for millions of families living with Alzheimer's disease.
It was released by UNLV's medical school. It looks at dozens of promising drug trials that could one day help find a cure for the disease. Fox 5's Alexis Fernandez is here to share more about it.
Well, after decades of setbacks, Alzheimer's drug development is expanding with a record number of clinical trials. For nearly a decade, the Kirk Kerkorian School of Medicine at UNLV has been tracking the global effort to find a cure for Alzheimer's, a disease that slowly destroys a person's memory.
By looking at what happens over time, we can see what are the most promising drugs, which drugs and which kind of trials are leading to new therapies, which are not, what are the kinds of new therapies that doctors might anticipate becoming available for their patients.
Its annual report looks at the status of 182 active clinical trials and 138 drugs being studied.
The fact that we have almost twice as many drugs in the early phases than last year, for example, really gives us confidence that we're going to have new treatments for Alzheimer's disease.
In Nevada, nearly 50,000 people are living with Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. While there is no cure, there are drugs to slow the progression of the disease. A recent study by JAMA Neurology also found benefits to weight loss drugs that treat type 2 diabetes and obesity.
Who take semaglutide are less likely to get Alzheimer's disease. And that is even compared to insulin, for example.
The drugs can help improve blood sugar control, which affects brain health.
Optimistic that drug development for Alzheimer's disease is very robust and continues to grow.
More than 50,000 people are involved in the clinical trials. Dr. Cummings said the results of some of the trials could be released by late next year.
And if you would like to read more about the clinical trials, we do have a link under this web story at fox5vegas.com.